Today I'm going to be making griot, which is widely considered the national dish of Haiti. This dish was named after the griot, a person of high social status in West African countries, who acted as a storyteller, historian, singer, poet, or musician. Because pork was so scarce in Haiti, this dish was made for very special occasions only, hence why it was named after a person who was so widely respected in West African culture. The Haitian food doesn't just have roots in West Africa. France, the Americas, and even parts of the Middle East have influenced Haitian cuisine as well. The diverse culture all stems back to the colonization of Haiti in 1492. Haiti was originally colonized by Spain, but about a third of the land was taken over later by the French. After the Haitian Revolution ended in 1804, many refugees fled to New Orleans to settle, and to this day, Creole culture is very closely intertwined with New Orleans. Fast forward to World War I, Lebanon was part of the German Allied Ottoman Empire, which caused a massive migration of Lebanese people to Haiti and other parts of the Americas. Haiti is a massive melting pot with a very rich history that is evident in all parts of their culture, especially their food.